Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Instagram followers on Threads. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply tap on the Threads application or just simply open it up. And now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the circle icon or the world icon at the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on profiles you follow. So tap on that. So guys, from here, you should be able to see all the list of the people who you follow on Instagram. And you can just simply follow them over here. And if you have a followers as well, you should be able to accept or follow them on the thread. Or you can go for pending in order for you to see who accepted your thread follow. So guys, pretty much this tab will let you see all of your Instagram followers and following. There you go. See ya.